If you're upgrading your car stereo system, Alpine head units are among the most trusted names in the business. In this video, we're breaking down the top Alpine models available now. Starting off the list is the Alpine ILX W690D, a sleek double-din head unit known for its ultra-slim chassis and excellent functionality. With a 7-inch capacitive touchscreen and a depth of just 6 centimeters, it's a favorite among installers working with limited dash space. It supports both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, along with a built-in DAB+ tuner, Bluetooth streaming, and high-speed USB charging. One of its standout features is compatibility with Alpine's PowerStack amplifier, which allows you to stack an amp directly behind the unit without consuming additional space. The W690D offers a responsive interface, clean layout, and impressive audio performance for its size and price. If you're looking for a modern upgrade with a premium user experience that won't eat up space, this model is a top-tier choice. Next, we have the visually impressive Alpine ILX F309, more commonly known as the Halo 9. This unit turns heads with its large, floating 9-inch touchscreen display that offers a tablet-like interface mounted on a single-din chassis. Designed for drivers who crave both functionality and aesthetics, the ILX F309 supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, HD radio, Bluetooth, and is Maestro compatible for steering wheel integration. The unit also provides multiple camera inputs, making it great for modern vehicles with front and rear cam. While the large screen takes some getting used to, it offers unmatched visibility and control, especially for those managing complex audio setups or GPS apps while driving. It's ideal for tech-forward drivers who want bold design and cutting-edge features in one package. XW650, often celebrated as one of Alpine's best value head unit. Like the W690D, it features a 7-inch capacitive anti-glare touchscreen and is extremely shallow at around 50 millimeters in depth. It supports both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto via USB and includes advanced features like a 9-band equalizer, time alignment, and 4-volt pre-outs. It's also expandable with Alpine's KTA 450 power pack, enabling powerful system builds without a full amp rack. The W650 has built a reputation in the car audio community for delivering a great mix of modern features, ease of use, and affordability. For those looking to upgrade from a factory system without blowing the budget, the ILX W650 is one of the smartest choices you can make. 507, a premium-level 7-inch head unit with an HD 1280 by 720 resolution display, offering crisp visuals and an intuitive interface. This model supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, dual USB ports, HD radio, and Bluetooth hands-free calling. But where it really shines is in its audio capabilities. With a 13-band parametric EQ, advanced time alignment, digital crossovers, and high-resolution audio support, this is a head unit built for serious audiophiles. The ILX 507 is also Maestro compatible, making it a great fit for modern vehicles with OEM steering controls and factory amplifiers. If you're focused on both sound quality and wireless convenience, this model is a no-compromise upgrade that can anchor a truly premium audio system. LXW770, a 7-inch ultra-shallow head unit that's perfect for tight dash spaces while still delivering full-featured functionality. It offers wireless CarPlay and Android Auto, HD radio, Bluetooth, and built-in tuning tools like a 13-band EQ and sound boost menu. The W770 also supports Alpine's PowerStack amp integration and includes dual camera inputs. With its fast boot time, clean UI, and highly responsive touch interface, it's a step up from the W650 while remaining relatively compact. It's a solid pick for users who want modern wireless connectivity in a slim, no-fuss form factor that doesn't require cutting up the dash or sacrificing audio quality.